Isip ko to, pwede mo
I'm gonna talk about Fuji, Sir Harry, because it's your first time here in Fuji. So, I will try my best to speak English.
That's okay, my native language is French.
Oh, yeah.
French man siya.
Sorry if my English is broken.
13 pieces.
A little, I have a little knowledge of English. Kamay na siya ba? Okay. My name is Ada Suarez. I am one of the
Volunteer.
consultant. But okay, I will speak a little about Fuji so that
And you will, continue.
so you will know about Fuji. Okay. So Fuji Health and it's called Fuji because of the mountain is called Fuji.
In Japan.
The doctor that invented the Fuji machine, this cellular therapy device, is Dr. Toshiyuki Hara from Japan.
Fuji.
Ikuan na ka nang nagtahap sa isa na. Pinglangap. So, Dr. Toshiyuki Hara invented this Fuji therapy because of her mother. Of his mother, day. Tanawa na lang ako dito. Of his mother, because his mother is sick and no one in the hospital there accept his mother. So that's why he invented the Fuji therapy. And then he this it is year 1928 when he invented the Fuji therapy, and it is what is this? English goodness. Karang one. It is introduced year 1980, but it was processed year 1928 and 1940. But it is approved in Japan, in Ministry of Health, year 1980. When the Fuji approved in Ministry of Health in Japan, Dr. Edwin Bien, this is the Dr. Edwin Bien, natulog na si Sir Harry. Ay naduba na siya sa Fuji. This is the doctor that introduced also the Fuji in Philippines. He is the doctor specialist in kidney. This one. Wala tulog na siya. Kawaras na.
Hey, don't sleep. Hey, don't sleep. Naraon, doktor. Alam mo, uday siya ba?
This is the doctor Edwin Bien. He is an international doctor and he is a Filipino doctor. Okay. So, specialist in kidney, this one, kidney problems. So, he introduced the Fuji in Philippines year 2008. It was, or it's October, 17 years in Philippines. Okay. So,
science
the Fuji help people with kidney problems, arthritis, migraine, muscle stiffness, okay, joint pains, asthma, insomnia, body pains, high blood pressure, stroke, diabetes, and heart disease. And there are other health problems such as osteoporosis, constipation, obesity, back pain, spinal pain, irregular menstruation.
Harry, that is
hemorrhoids.
it's in your now health. Namin siya back pain.
You have back pain. I see.
Spinal pain.
Rheumatism, cataract, and knee pain. So that is the Fuji can help you with this. Okay, so Sir Harry, what did you feel when you sit down here? You have air.
This is silent.
Sitting on chairs.
What?
Lagi ganahan na siya. Nanay reaction. He is sleepy.
Yeah, okay. Do you feel sleepy?
I feel dizzy because when I look up, I am dizzy.
You see.
That's why my eyes are
You see, I
closed.
see. Okay, you're
Ay,
not
padayon na
I see. So,
Vibrate.
this machine, Fuji, has a negative ion and bioenergy. That's why you feel sleepy. Because it has negative ion. We see negative ion in the sea, the forest, the falls. You can see the, you see, this,
Feel.
you can feel the negative ion in there. So that's why we can feel sleepy in here because the Fuji therapy has a negative ion. The one that you see, the black pads, it is energizing pads. Okay? So I wanna test you, Sir Harry.
Kung sa'yo nasulog sa imong lawas gina.
That you
What is running in your body
you're
now?
undergo a
Ay
therapy.
na siya ang imong cells mo.
Yeah, the cells will be repaired. It's not a massage, it is a cellular therapy. Sir Harry, can you give me some?
Give me your hand. You have already.
Can you give me your hand? Sir Harry, give me your hand like this one. I wanna. This one is not plug in. And if you can see, there is a light when I test you. So that means the electric. Look at the size.
Energizing. Oh, see?
Don't touch me. Have you seen? There is a light.
Na nakay-kuryente.
Look at that. Wala na sigaw. I didn't plug in.
Uy! Pag-anya ka mo
If I put in my hands, if you can see if there is a light.
There is no light.
Tell me if there is a light.
There is no light
Because I didn't undergo light.
Therapy. She's not sitting down in the therapy.
Yeah, you didn't see. So it's a miracle, right?
There's a magic. It's a meaning there you have
You have a bioenergy that undergo in your hands.
your hands. My love also, if you come to si Alan,
Oh, I will try
you
you.
have already a
You didn't try this one?
micro vibration.
Okay.
Di mo nararamdaman pero mo
Wala na siya katry no? Sige, let me give me your hand. Don't touch me. No, that's it.
Oh, di ba?
What did you feel?
There is a micro vibration.
It's buzzing. Or vibrate.
Micro vibration.
Anak din mong kamot.
Pasawang gamot. Yes, vibrate.
It's vibrating.
Because necessity is under
It's vibrating.
Ay, wala siya. Pada mo pag
So that is so-called micro vibration.
No, it's called magic.
The micro vibration is the one who eliminates the toxins in your body. So, when you undergo the therapy, during 10 days, detoxification effects. During the first 10 days of using Fuji cellular therapy, the body eliminates harmful substances such as toxins by the forms of urination. That's why we need to drink alkaline water so that the toxins that in our body will eliminate. Maybe become foamy. Our urine will become foamy, bubbly, yellowish, and powdery.